Friends, I just came out to the barn and she had a baby. Isn't she sweet? She got right up on me and she's all tired. Look at her, she's doing great. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So earlier today, I went out and checked on Miss Fiona because we are waiting and anticipating a birth of a lamb or two today. And she hadn't had anything yet, but she was pushing. So I'll drop in a little bit of video of what I got this morning when I first came out. All right, friends, she is definitely pushing. She is in labor. 100%. She is having this baby today. It's been about an hour since I was last out. I am gonna go in and do a quick check on her and see if she's made any more progress. Oh, it's cold today too. Brr. So I'm glad hubby and I got in there and put fresh straw down in her pen. So that way that baby has somewhere to nuzzle up and keep warm. All right, nothing yet. All right, she is definitely in labor and she is definitely pushing. So, yay, today is the day. I have to go into town in a little bit and I was hoping I could be here for it, but I think I might miss it. But when I get home, hopefully there will be a little lamb and he or she will be doing really good. And she'll be a good mama. Just in case, I did buy some colostrum in town and I bought a little bottle meant for lambs. So if for whatever reason she is not taking care of it, we will be able to take it right away and get it warm and make sure it's all good. I have my niece and nephew here with me, so I'm gonna let them know before I leave to keep an eye on her and to come out periodically and check on her and let me know as soon as they see a baby born. And at that point, just to really watch her to make sure she is taking care of it. If not, then I will have them come in and grab her and take her inside where she'll be nice and warm until I can get home. All right, I'll bring you along. All right, friends, so I just got home from town. It is almost 1 o'clock, so I've been gone for quite a while. We're gonna head in the barn and see if we've got a baby yet. All right, she's laying down. That is a sign that she could be going. They say the last one would be them lying down. Hopefully she's doing okay and she's not struggling. Hey, Mama. Fiona. Hi, Mamas. How you doing? Okay, still nothing. I don't know how long these things last. I need to do a quick Google search and see how long they tend to be in labor for. Well, nothing yet. I'm gonna continue to keep an eye on her, make sure she's doing all right. But again, I don't want to sit here and stare at her and stress her out, so I'm gonna let her be for a little while. Friends, I just came out to the barn and she had a baby. I've got a little baby. Oh my God, and she's so cute. Hi, Mama. Look at what you did. Look at your baby. Good girl. Hi, baby. Hi. Friends, this is the first live birth we've had on our homestead. Oh my God, it's so sweet. Oh, I want to get in there and hold it, but I don't want to freak out Mama, so I'm going to give her space. Oh, she's so cute, and she's taking such good care of her baby. Fingers crossed it's a girl. And she was really, really small. Mama was small, so I don't think there's any others, but who knows? There could be another one in there. But that's a big baby, and she really wasn't that big. She's so cute. It's a little girl. She's going to make her first potty. Well, she is up walking around, and she isn't trying to nurse, so that's a good sign. And I could tell that it's a little girl. So we've got a little girl, and I think that's it. I don't see her having any more. Yes. All right, so I just got off the phone with my neighbor. She also raises lambs, and I asked her what I needed to do and watch out for. So first thing she told me is to definitely get some betadine, which I have inside, and to dip the baby's umbilical cord into the betadine because sheep are really susceptible to infection and through that umbilical cord. So I'm gonna run inside right now and do that. And then she also said to watch for the placenta to make sure that is delivered. As of right now, it's still inside of her. So I will be watching to make sure that's delivered, and then we will dispose of that right after. Baby is nursing. Mama is eating. Everything looks really good right now. All right, so I just got off the phone with my neighbor, and she's the one that raises sheep, and she told me about the betadine on their umbilical cords. So I'm gonna go to the house and get the betadine. She also told me about vitamin E and selenium, that our area, we are selenium deficient. So it was always recommended to her to give a supplement of vitamin E and selenium to any baby lamb that she gets. So she actually has some at her house. And she told me she just left her house, so she told me to head over there. She told me exactly where it's at. So I'm gonna head over and get some of that vitamin E and selenium for her to go ahead and eat right now. All right, friends, so I'm over at my neighbor's house, and this is the vitamin E and selenium to give our baby sheep. She said just put a very, very small amount on my finger, and that will be enough to give her, and then just let her suck it off my finger, versus giving her the tube and you don't know, you can kind of give too much or you don't know if they took it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to her right now, or selenium with vitamin E. All right, friends, so I am back inside the barn. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can catch this little girl and give her the selenium and vitamin E, then also dip her umbilical cord into some betadine to clean it and make sure there is no chance of infection getting in there. Isn't she cute? I don't want to keep her from Mama for too long because you can see she's already freaking out. But she's adorable. The placenta is also falling out right now, so that's a good sign. All right, friends, I am super excited. We actually have a live birth. I am so happy with how everything is going. Baby's doing good, mama's doing good, everything is looking good. All right, I'm just gonna keep an eye on until I see that placenta drop, and then I will go ahead and dispose of that and let mama be. I don't want her under stress or freaking out, so I'll let her be after that. All right, she just delivered the placenta, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out because she is not gonna eat it like other animals do. Isn't she sweet? I think she's cold. She got right up on me and she's all tired. Look at her, she's doing great. All right, friends, so everybody is doing good. Mama's doing good. Baby's doing good. Baby is trying to go to sleep right now. So I'm gonna go start on dinner and then we'll check on mama one more time before we close up for the night. All right, friends. So it is late at night, it's dark out. Just want to check on her one more time before we close up for the night. Make sure her and mama are all good, which they are. And I was hoping that she'd be in the hay where I put her. This way she'll stay nice and warm. Come out first thing tomorrow morning and check on her. We decided to go ahead and leave out our 3 bigger dogs just because the scent of a baby plus her having the baby is out in the air, and I don't want any predators to try to break through these doors to get to them. So I figured it would detour them by having the 3 dogs out roaming tonight. So hubby has to leave at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'll be out here at 5 a.m. checking on everything, make sure baby and mama are both doing good. So friends, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of animals you've had born on your homestead. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.